bit of cockatoos and things and noisy miners and oh, there's a few cockies. Here's a beak and feather cocky. This one's got beak and feather disease. It's winter time. It's feeding time. Look at them all. Look at all the cockies. All the cockies. We might have 100 here. And the rainbow lorikeets, and there's cockies looking over the gutter here. There's another cocky looking over the gutter and saying, hello cockies, hello beautiful birdies, hello beautiful birdies, hello beautiful birdies. Hey? How blessed we are, eh? And they don't chew the gutters and they don't chew our timber. There's not a piece of timber taken out of the panel up there. Eh? Here's another beak and feather here on the roof, on the little roof. So he's got a very, very long lower beak. There's a rainbow lorikeet just here in the bush, just here in the melaleuca. There's a few cockies. And there's a crested dove down the bottom there. Some double too. Another beak and feather one wandering across towards us down the bottom there. Yeah. There we are. Look at that. Nature at its best. Right about kitchen window. Another beak and feather over there. So there's at least three beak and feathers in the flock here. Another rainbow lorikeet just up there. Look at that. In the middle of suburbia at Cromer, on the northern beaches of Sydney. We don't need to put our birds in cages, do we? Not really, when we've got this right at our front door. Keep some trees around your place, grow some trees, grow some shrubs. Be kind. Offer a little food, share a bit of food. A little for a lot. There's beak and feather. Alrighty. Not everyone's choice. It just happens to be our choice. And how grateful we are that we have it. So we have the cockatoos, we have the Sulphur Crested Cockatoos. Occasionally there's a beak and feather cocky right here. Hello baby. See the cross bill? The lower bill starting to grow too long. You got a little bit that I can hand feed this little one, darling? Just here. He's a special treat, this one. A special help through winter. Yeah, I know. Just a bit. Just a bit. Look at all the expectation. Look at all the expectation. This one's cheeky, right on the windowsill here. Hey? You're cheeky. Oh. Hey? Hey? Alright. Alright. Okay. You hear the noisy miner squeaking in the background. Hey? There's another beak and feather just waiting over there on the tree. They're shy, not so well. Sit low and just pecking it up. Anyway, we help them while we can. Alright cockies. Here's our little beak and feather one again. He said, I'll have some more, thank you. Yeah. That mightn't be the best diet for him. This one says, I want some too. Yeah, I want some too. Who else wants some? Hey? Randy wants one too. Let's give him a little bit. A little bit. You have to watch your fingers, you have to be quick. I don't mean to bite you, but you get your fingers in the way, you'll get nibbled. You get nibbled. Look. This one says I'll come in the kitchen. I'll come in the kitchen window. That's pretty special, isn't it? It's pretty special. Yes, it is. Very special. Alright, I'll save a bit of a slice of bread for one or two late comers. Okay, we don't have it. Alright, cockies, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. The kitchen window at Cromer. This is Dr. Ross Perry signing out. wildbirdhealth.com, drrossperry.com.au. Take your pick. You'll have fun and you get some controversial points of view, but that's okay. Now the crested pigeons are coming in for the crumbs down the bottom there. You see them over there, running around. A Randy male chasing the others. Yep, okay.